Hello friends, in this video I will show how to insert watermark in Excel. So firstly open your Excel file. To insert your watermark in Excel, open your document, then click on insert. Here click on text, select word art, select any desired style. Now type your text here. Double click on it, right click on it, click on format text effect. Now here click on this text fill and outline. Click on text fill. Make transparency as your choice. Outline, select solid line. Make transparency about 56%. Now click anywhere. Now click here file. Then click on print. Take out your watermark. You can change some more settings here. You can drag and drop your watermark anywhere in your file. So this is the way guys you can insert watermark in PowerPoint in Excel program. Thanks for watching.